It is possible to work collaboratively in a Zoom meeting without having to use external tools like Google Documents or online whiteboards. This tutorial will focus on annotating presentation slides together with your YAC members and on using the interactive whiteboard that is built into Zoom. Let's start with annotating presentation slides. Share your presentation by clicking Share Screen and selecting your presentation window. Click on Annotation in your black menu bar to open your own annotation toolbar. You can now draw and write on top of your presentation, for example, to highlight something. Make sure to clear all annotations before you forward the slides, as they stay put when you change to the next slide. In order to do this, click on Clear and select Clear All to get rid of them, and then forward your slide. If you want your YAC members to annotate too, click the three dots at the right in your menu bar and select Enable Annotation for Others. If you also tick Show Name of Annotators, you will be able to see who writes what, which makes it easier to react to annotations as a session or activity leader. Your YAC members can then toggle on their own annotation bar by opening the View options at the top of their screen, next to the green screen sharing notification. They can then write and draw on the slide themselves. Remember to clear the annotations before forwarding the slide once you are done. If you want to save the annotations, you can do so in your annotation toolbar. The interactive whiteboard works in pretty much the same way. Instead of sharing a presentation with content to be annotated, select Whiteboard in your sharing options and a blank canvas will become visible. Switch on your annotations toolbar, check that annotation is enabled for everyone else in the meeting, and ask your YAC members to switch their annotation toolbar on too, so that they can share ideas in one place. This is useful if you are looking for a space to do some collaborative brainstorming in the meeting. It is possible to do this in the chat, but this becomes quite tricky to keep track of after some time. Or you could do shout-outs, but you might have YAC members that prefer writing to speaking, and in any case, the whiteboard is useful for note-taking. These are the main collaborative functions in the free version of Zoom. If you're interested in finding out how to include other engagement tools like polling or quizzes in your online meetings, take a look at the CBA Online Toolkit, which includes guides to using some of these free tools.